and subscribe. So guys, today I will be doing a bob. Oh yeah, getting cut. Thank you Janet Collection for sponsoring this video. This is their natural born locks, 18 inches, 2 times Mambo, I believe. Y'all, this hair is really soft. It's antivirus. If you've seen my videos from before, from like a year ago, I believe. Yeah, a year ago, or it's about to approach a year. I did do a video on how I felt about it, and it was my honest review, and I had bought that with my own money. But these are the locks. They're very, very pretty. They're natural. They don't have that like nasty, ugly sheen, y'all. I hate locks with like when it's like super, super shiny. That thing is so ugly. My oil, like I've mentioned before, y'all. If y'all don't have my oil, what are you doing? I will braid first to make sure when I put the crochet in that it stays, like just so it has a secure spot to stay.
FYI guys, if you look at my roots, they are not clean by any means. They don't look smooth because I am doing this on a 1-month-old protective style that I had.
And like I told you guys before, make sure that it's open like this. Make sure the latch is open when you're going through. So it's just already open for you. You latch it on. You latch it on like so. And you pull it through. And you just make a knot. I'm not doing it that tight in the front simply because my hair is very sensitive over here. Like very, very sensitive. So it's like crucial for me to like not be heavy-handed on this area of my hair. And with T30, I don't know how, T30, y'all, I don't remember, but I go like this, separate it into 2, but I don't separate it too much simply because I feel like you don't get that same effect, and I wet it a little bit, only for some if I feel like it may be overly fluffy. Okay, so now what I've been doing is I'll take my finger like so, wrap it around my finger, and then wrap underneath it just so that it can stay. And then you just loosen it up a bit. Now these are just how I do mine. Like I said, I'm no professional, and this is my first time on top of that, so it may not look perfect, but honestly y'all, I like, bro, this look is so cute. So very cute. Now I need some chapstick. I have no chapstick. My eyebrows not done. I just look a mess right now, but promise you I won't look like this for too long. And then like that. So sometimes if I feel like they're not butterfly enough, I'll just tag at it so it could be more, you know, like messy and distressed. And then still using my finger method, I go over and over, and I do want the lock to reach like right about there, so I'm going to cut right about here because I don't want it to be too long. And then we're left with this, my little distressed lock. And then I'll go back up, like y'all see right here how it's all fluffy. I want to make sure it's more defined. I don't know if you guys see how that helps. I just rather it be more defined instead of frizzy towards the end. And then I'll just literally just wrap it around. Hey guys, so I came back on camera to kind of show you guys what I did. Some I left out so they could be curly, and I left out some of my real hair as well, so it could just like give a more natural look, makes it look more realistic, and add to the whole messy vibe thing that we're trying to go for. let me add, yeah. All right guys, so this is it. Thank you so much for watching. Yeah, this is the finished look. Sorry y'all, my eyelashes kind of are scented because my hair keeps on weighing down. If y'all know, if you're someone with hair always in your face, then you get the struggle. But why it looks so cute. Let me take some pictures. Alright guys, so I am back and this is the finished look. Y'all, this took me about, I started this morning, y'all. I'm just really lazy and it just takes me a really long time to get things accomplished. Oh, my bracelets, my necklaces. But yeah, it just takes me a really long time to accomplish what I need to within the day. So this took longer than expected, but if you do it straight through, mind you, I did have the faux locks already set, so the only process I had to do was the wrapping, which took about maybe 4 to 5 hours, honestly, excluding all the little breaks I took. And anyways, it just took longer than expected, but y'all, this is really cute. I love it. I have to redo my edges. It keeps, y'all, nothing lays down my edges, so if you know something that lays down edges, that'd be nice. And I left out like some of my real hair, so the curls, so it could, I don't know, I just felt like it looked really cute. Like I purposely left some out just so it could, like, I don't know, jazz up the look. I don't know, y'all, I don't know. But yeah, that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate y'all. Thank you so much. And can we please get me to like 1,000 subscribers, because your girl would really appreciate that. And thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.